Most UK SMEs are ready for robot adoption.
Bullshit.
Yeah, I agree.
The reality is that ops director that has 50 members of staff, people like us are going to go in and say, those 10 people are going to get better jobs. But that ops director is thinking, I don't have any other jobs. Like, what jobs? Where?
And do you know what? As much as I take the piss out of them, I wouldn't want to be a salesperson. Not in this day. It's a really tough game.
Yeah, I agree with that actually. You know, even though probably what I do is quite a bit salesy, the fact we're kind of selling...
You do a bit of sales, don't you?
I'll talk rubbish to anybody. I'll talk shit to anybody for a quid. You hugged a fox.
I did, yeah. Yeah, we went shooting.
She didn't shoot a fox.
In a licensed...
Right, to be clear,
premises.
to clear it up.
You were fox hunting.
You did.
No!